Yacht Club is a fantastic little neighborhood just south of Hidden Lake, right at about 68th and Sheridan here in Arvada. We're holding an open house this weekend. The address is 6859 Zenobia Street, unit number 1. It's an N unit. That's this one right back behind me. I would love for you to come out and see me. We'll be here Saturday and Sunday, the 26th and 27th of October, from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. both days. So come on out. We'll throw you in the drawing to win a $100 Home Depot gift card, and hope to see you this weekend. So what are the top 3 reasons for you to buy this awesome condo here in Yacht Club here in Arvada? Well, we've got new carpets upstairs, so please take off your boots and show off your fancy socks. The kitchen has a ton of prep room and it overlooks the living room, so you never have to leave your guests alone while you're preparing your charcuterie boards. Check out this oversized garage. It's a 2-car and it has ceilings up high. Whee! So you can store all sorts of extra stuff up there. And the number 1 reason to buy a condo here in Yacht Club is it's by a lake. How awesome is that? And it's a beautiful lake. Come out and see me this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 26th and 27th of October, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. I can't wait to see you there. If you have any real estate questions or you're thinking about buying or selling, give me a call. I'm Titus King with Keller Williams Real Estate, 303-910-3020.